Flight instructors like it because it's really a good training airplane.
SportStar is excellent for training. It has nice control responses.
For my students, they love flying this thing, and the reason for that is it's so easy to fly.
And students are more comfortable getting in this airplane and flying it than in ab initio getting into a high-wing aircraft with a sort of more cave-like interior experience. The canopy, the bubble design on the SportStar does provide fabulous visibility.
Visibility is absolutely unrestricted.
It's amazing the viewing that you get with the canopy.
The airplanes are so light that you don't get a bunch of wear.
The actual climb performance that this provides us is incredible.
You'll only be spending about $20 on gas.
It's just a phenomenally easy airplane to work on.
The Evektor Harmony is a very cost-effective airplane.
This is the training airplane to which Sunrise is now committed.